On Saturday, the 6th of February, 2021, we really do want to invite each and every one of you that are part of our partnership in the nations to join us for our second online gathering. We believe that this is going to be a vital time for us as churches, as we gather together in unity and really hear what it is that Jesus is saying to us for this year. We know that this is going to be a time of shaking and that the nations are in such turmoil. And it's vital in these times that we get before God, hear what it is He's saying through the Apostolic, and set our course as churches for the year. And so make sure you join us. Details will be on our website and going out into your various churches. But make sure you join us in your homes, in your communities, in your churches, as we come together as one from across the nations to hear what it is that Jesus is saying to the churches.